Good dawn, everyone. This is Mike Padua once again, and this is Sunday early morning of November 1st, 2020, and the winds are picking up right now. The on and off rainfall. Actually, it's already intermittent with some gusty winds outside. Estimated around 40 to 50 or 60 kph. And this is just the beginning. The worst is yet to come. So I'm giving you now a quick update. This could be my last one. I hope you understand we are on the path, or sadly maybe a direct hit of the eye of the storm. And here's now the latest satellite as of 3 a.m. fast approaching Catanduanes. And here's the zoom in satellite animation. You can see here the eye. That's the eye. Okay, gonna use the infrared. There you go. So it looks like it will make landfall somewhere here over near Iraq, and it will track towards this direction based on my latest forecast track. So it's either way. So it can pass over this direction or towards this direction. So in any way the storm will make, it will create severe and catastrophic damage here in our province of Camarines Sur, including Naga City. So please take all necessary precautions. I hope everyone is fully prepared with this system. It's a very dangerous, still a dangerous system. It's a category 5. The winds has gone down to just 10 kph, still at 285, gustiness of more than 300. So we are now under signal number 4, wind signal number 4, Pag-asa. So we expect deteriorating weather conditions, violent winds, and torrential rainfall within the next few hours. So landfall is imminent. So likely around 5 to 6 a.m. And it will pass over Naga between 8 over or near Naga, south or north, depends on the track and the speed, between 9, 10 or 11 a.m. because it's still moving a little bit faster, but on the forecast it will slightly slow down at normal speed of 19. Right now it's moving at 22 kph. So the passage here will be around 9, 10 or 11 a.m. before noon, or maybe in the afternoon if it slows down. So you can see the inner bands of the storm. Okay, so we'll leave you on that. Here's the radar. So look at the eye wall. It is measuring about 15 kilometers in diameter, and this is the inner eye wall where the winds is very strong, and this is the possible formation of the outer eye wall. This inner eye wall will contract, and a new one will form on the outer edges, and then it will shrink. That's the eye wall replacement cycle right now. So the track of the system will be somewhere here. Okay, that's the even tobacco will not be safe from the path of the system. So this is the general track of this super typhoon. So this radar shot of Pag-asa, if we play it, you can see the eye moving closer towards Gigmo to Vrak area. Here comes the eye around 11:30, and it's already within the scope of the Pag-asa radar of Vrak, Pag-asa Bato in Catanduanes, and radar there, and in the Daet. So this orange one are rainfall of moderate to heavy. The red ones are intense rainfall. The greenish is light to sometimes moderate, and here's the most intense part of the system. Okay, so let's take all necessary precautions. Within the next few hours, we could experience some winds of more than 100 kilometers per hour. The radius of winds of more than 100 kilometers per hour, let me see, is around 100 kilometers from the center. So if we measure that, we're gonna measure that here on 100 kilometers. Let me measure it. Okay. Okay, here. So that's the radius of the damaging winds, while the extremely powerful winds will be somewhere here, this area. Okay. So this is the possible area of very powerful winds, and this is the area of damaging winds. So it's now entering Caramoan Peninsula, or the town of Caramoan. So here we are still under winds of 55 to 60 kilometers per hour, 75, 85, as you go near, it will increase to 100 kilometers per hour. So please take all those precautions. That's our quick update. There's nothing more to say but to take all necessary precautions. Bunker down. Remember, this storm is extremely catastrophic. So all hazards are there. Again, the storm surge, the heavy rains that could create massive flooding if the storm is moving slowly. Also, landslide, mud flows, mudslides, and high winds, storm surge along the coastal areas of Bicol. Okay, folks over Metro Manila, expect the storm to pass very near Metro Manila, or over Metro Manila, over Calabarzon, maybe tonight. Okay, if it falls, it will accelerate. If it will accelerate, it may reach NCR in the late afternoon, but looks likely it will be in the evening or midnight of November 1. Okay, so that will be 10 hours now. So that's it. That's the latest. So this is our track passing over Naga because of what we analyzed a while ago. So this is the slow movement, but if it accelerates, it may be around 10, 11. And this is the tracks of all agencies, including Pag-asa. So Camarines Sur, especially Partido, is under the gun of this system, particularly Catanduanes. Metro Manila will not be spared by this system as well. So take all necessary precautions. Again, I'm going to give you this Typhoon 2000 advisory, where if our internet will be disrupted, totally cut down by the strong winds, and the fiber will be affected, there will be no advisories. We'll be putting it on hold until the internet connection will return to normal, and we are going to find ways to get the internet back after this super typhoon. Okay, so sorry guys, I hate to say goodbye, but this is what it takes. We need to prepare and let the system pass. Okay, so thank you. This is Mike Padua. Good day, and let's all pray that all are safe, all the Filipinos from Luzon down to Visayas that will be affected by this super typhoon. Good day to all, and God bless everyone.